Want to save metadata in MusicBrainz Picard? Saving metadata writes the updated song information directly into your audio files, helping keep your music library organized with accurate titles, artists, albums, track numbers, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to save metadata in MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Files or Add Folder to import the music you want to update. You can work with individual songs or complete albums. Next, select the imported files and click Lookup to search using the existing metadata. If your files have missing or incorrect information, click Scan instead to identify them using audio fingerprints. This helps MusicBrainz Picard find the correct album and track information. Now review the matched information before saving. Check that the artist name, album title, song titles, track numbers, release year, and other details are correct. Verifying the metadata helps prevent incorrect information from being written to your files. Once everything looks correct, select the album or tracks and click the Save button on the toolbar. MusicBrainz Picard will write the updated metadata directly into your audio files. Depending on your settings, it can also rename files, organize folders, and embed album artwork. Finally, open your music folder or your favorite media player to confirm the updated information. You should now see the new song titles, artist names, album details, and other metadata displayed correctly, and that's how to save metadata in MusicBrainz Picard. Keeping your music files updated with accurate metadata makes your collection easier to search, organize, and enjoy across different devices and media players. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.